everybody, and welcome to my channel where I unbox subscription boxes so you can decide, is it worth it or not for you? Today I'm actually unboxing a subscription box, or in this case, a subscription bag from Ipsy. Now you've probably seen all of my various shopping things that I bought from Ipsy, so probably wondering what in the world does your bag actually look like? And you know what? Me too! So let me pull everything out of this bag. I added on some add-ons, so I've got those with me. So let's start with the add-ons. I've got 3 of them. The first thing is from Yesenia. It is a BB and CC concealer in the color light neutral. I do have neutral cool undertones, so let's see how this works. Here it is, kind of like on the back of my skin. You can see it there if I put it in certain light. It's light. It definitely, the undertones on it actually look pretty good. So I am happy with that. I will probably, yeah, I don't think it's too light for sure. It almost might be a little bit dark, but yeah, that'll be pretty good. I'll test that out, see how it works on good old under eyes here. Okay, next up we have a Sugar Rush by Tarte Sugar Coat, a velvet liquid lipstick in the color Cupcake. Now, on one of my boxy charms in the premium, I also had a Sugar Rush product, lip product. What was the Lip Butter Balm, the cute little flower on the top, and here is the inside of it. I think this is about the color it is actually as well. Color Cupcake. Put it on the back of my hand here. That smells a little sweet, but honestly not that bad. I'm like painting a whole swatch on the back of my hand that does not need to be there. Kind of on the brownish side, a little bit on the pinky brown. Nice neutral shade there. I'm okay with that. I've been liking brown so far, so I'm glad that past me bought this. For those of you who haven't seen I think I only mentioned in one video that I was sick for a while, and so all of my stuff piled up. And now that I'm not sick, I'm basically doing a lot of videos really close together, and so for me it's all kind of one long endless amount of opening things, and a lot of them have just been sitting in the back of my room waiting for me to get better. I could have done some of them while I was sick, but I really didn't want to deep clean all of my brushes. Like, literally, that was what was stopping me. Okay, let me wipe this off. I've been having some issues on the various videos when I've been swatching lip products. I leave them on the back of my hand, and I did the Colored Rain 24/7. The Colored Rain lipstick in 24/7, and it dried on the back of my hand, and I tried to scrub it off. So let me tell you, if you want a nice long wearing lip color, those Colored Rain matte lipsticks, that is where it's at. Stuff's not gonna budge, even if you want it to. Okay, and the last thing, speaking of Colored Rain, it is a tiny palette by Colored Rain. I feel like the last video I did had multiple Colored Rain products in it. I did some earlier ones with Colored Rain. That's just the brand of this round of videos. So this is the Vineyard Soiree. Soiree? Is that how you pronounce that? Eyeshadow palette. So it's kind of a mini palette. It's not a full-size one here. And this is going to be all purples. I do remember purchasing this. Not all purples, but it's lots of purples. Which is funny because if you watched my other video, I have the Power palette with Colored Rain, and that's also a lot of purples. I must have been in a purple mood when I was purchasing. I don't know what color my shirt looks to you, but to me, I know that this is also purple. So that's just kind of the color of right now. But yeah, here's that. Let me pull up a couple of swatches and see if I can swatch them better than I just did that lip color. These colors don't have names on them, so they're just kind of gonna be. Oh, that was a terrible swatch. And not because the color was bad, but because I did a bad job. Okay, so we've got some swatches here from my cat. That's what we have. We've got this like gray, purpley. Unfortunately right now I am super pale, and My lights are blowing out all of my swatching ability. That's why I've been using the back of my hand, but I can't swatch things on like that. Basically, they're really soft, they're pretty. I had the Power palette from Colored Rain that I already really like the formula, so it's nice. I'm glad I got this. So those are all the things that I myself added onto my glam bag, and here's the actual bag itself. So it's got this kind of sunsetty color going on, this like pink to yellow gradient. The first thing is actually not in the bag. It is a brush from what is it? It's the one with the two little sparkles on the front of it. It is from SL Miss Glam, and it is pink and sparkly, and it's a taper blending brush here, which it's got a nice, it's soft, it's not super dense. I like that. I love that it's pink and sparkly though. The little stones on it are also pink. Yeah, I love it. I like tapered blending brushes just to get that, just to like blend out all of your eyeshadow. Okay, let's hop into the actual bag. Ah, there is a little card. Does the card tell me prices? The card doesn't even tell me what's in here. It's a thing about highlighter. The card in here is very unhelpful, and also this side tells me about add-ons, the ultimate Ipster deal, and it's just basically telling me when add-ons are available, which I don't really need. And then tells me when to choose a product. Today is the 29th of May, so this already happened, and I already chose my product for next month. So this is a very helpful, but on the inside of it, normally where the products are, it's just talking about highlighters. So I guess May 2020 is Get That Glow, and I assume there's probably a highlighter in here for that reason. But the first thing I pulled out is not a highlighter. In fact, it is from Marc Anthony, and it is a leave-in conditioner. So the first thing here it is, a leave-in conditioner, which is great. You can tell I've been coloring my hair. Maybe you can't tell. My hair used to be black or dark brown. It is not anymore currently. So yeah, here's a nice leave-in conditioner to help with my hair. It's got biotin in it. That's great. Biotin is one of those to help with your hair, and basically just put it on the roots and leave it there. Well, it says from roots to end. Truthfully, I won't put it on my roots. I have oily hair, and that will just add to it because it is 100% coconut oil. So I will put it on the ends of my hair where I need it most. Up next, we've got something from Estate, which I think I've had something from them before. This is, here's my highlight. Baked Highlight Powder in the color Dew Me. That's D-E-W for all of you out there. Here it is, Estate. I think maybe I haven't had it and I've just seen it on Ipsy's page because they've been going real hard with it. So there it is a bright gold. It's Dew Me. Oh, it's actually in the color Bye with 3 E's. I feel too old to be saying that. There it is on the back of my hand to see if you can pick up the color. There we go. There's the shine. It is a gold highlighter. Baked, which is great so I can put it on wet or dry. I forget sometimes that I can put on baked products with a wet brush. And I just don't do it sometimes. But nice little cute gold highlighter. I'm happy with that. I like highlighters. Let's see. Oh, this thing is in a... Oh, it's something from Space Case. Last month I think I had a highlighter from Space Case, so I hope it's not another highlighter. Instant Stargasm. Sorry, Intense Stargasm. I don't think that's any better than what I said before. Space Case has really cute packaging with this like rainbow little UFO on it. I don't know. It doesn't really tell me. Oh, it's an eyeshadow. It says it right underneath. It says, yeah, eyeshadow. Come on, let me have it. It's one of those little single one pot eyeshadows. So it's not like one of the, like just, it's a pot like this. Yeah, Intense Stargasm. It is a shimmery gray. Let's see if I can get some of that color on here. I'm having some issues getting it off. Okay, so I've been trying to swatch it, and you can kind of see it there, but it is very light. So this I had to build up a little bit to get even any like shimmer there. It is very pretty, and I think it'll be great, but I don't think it's going to be like an all over color. This is more going to be like a brow bone, which I almost just stuck on right now, like in my eyebrow. It's cute. I can see some uses for it for sure, so no worries on that. Okay. And what else? I think I've got one more thing in here, and this was actually what I chose for myself. So when I had the choice to choose, I decided to do an H2O gloss from Tarte. They're very cute. I've been really into glosses. If you've been watching some of my recent videos, this is going to look a lot like a lot of them. It is a nice little shiny pink. And look at how cute this is. So tiny. But I really wanted to try this. Like I said, I've been really into glosses, and I really wanted to try some of the pink. Nice and shiny there. Woohoo! And let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the brush that I already put away. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so in my bag, the 5 things that I got were this Estate highlighter, which I do believe is a full size of this. This Space Case eyeshadow, which I also believe is the full size. This SL Miss Glam brush, which is a full size. The sample size of this leave-in conditioner by Marc Anthony. I know it's a sample, it says it on the back. And this sample size of the Tarte H2O gloss. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this. I've definitely got some products that I will like. I'm really excited about the add-on with the Sugar Coat Velvet. I love this brush because it's pink and sparkly. I'm really excited for some leave-in conditioner for the bottom part of my hair. And yeah, I'll definitely find use for these 2 things as well. So with that, we're at the end of my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of May. Thank you so much for watching. While you're here, if you would you give this video a like and subscribe to my channel? Not that you have to. I would just like it if you did. And turn on post notifications so you know when I upload another video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day. Bye!